Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Norbert Kawasaki stated that if you invest $100 in Shiba Inu right now, you will be rich in the future. Shiba Inu price seems to be staying close to a major support level that has been building up over the last 3 months. 2 weeks ago, there was a big move because of a buildup along this barrier. So, investors are hoping that the current consolidation will lead to another rally. In this video, we'll talk about how Robert Kiyosaki said that if you put $100 into Shiba Inus right now, you'll be rich in the future. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Satoshi Kusama, who made the meme coin, went on Twitter to defend Shib holders against people who want to sow doubt and chaos into the environment. The price of Shiba Inus is close to a key level of support. The POC was 118 cents. This barrier is where the most Shib has been traded since April 11th, and it was a key point in the earlier runs-up. At 179 cents, the Dogecoin killer started a 53% rise on August 14. This made a double top. Since then, the price of Shiba Inus has lost all of its gains and is back at the POC, looking to start another move like the first one. So far, the bulls just don't seem to be there or do anything. But Shib could make a quick run up if it stays stable here for a long time and brings back buyers. The equal highs that formed at 179 cents are the next level that bears and smart money will look to target. So, a bounce off of 118 cents could lead to a 52% gain when the price tests the 179 cents barrier again. Even though this view is easy to understand, investors should be okay with the POC breaking down and the 9% drop that comes with it. This move will push Shib down to retest the immediate support level at 106 cents. A bounce to 179 cents would mean a 68% gain, which is the second possibility. The same goal will be reached with the third result. But instead of finding support at $106, the price of Shiba Inus could fall to 83 cents to make up for the difference. First, if a rise starts here, it will lead to a 104% increase to 179 cents. No matter what happens, investors can dollar-cost average their shares at the above-mentioned key support levels, instead of waiting for the right bottom and missing out on the uptrend. But if Shib closes its daily candlestick below $0.74 and doesn't quickly bounce back, it will make a lower low and disprove the bullish theory for Shiba Inu price. The Shiba Inu group is excited for the redesign of the network to be done. So, along with the release of Hub, the team working on Shiba Inu made a big change. The metaverse's turning point. Shiba Inu is a form of digital cash that has grown a lot in the past few months. The digital object was originally made as a joke about Dogecoin, but now it is its own thing. Shiba Inu has gotten a lot of attention in August, and its price has gone up because of it. The Shiba Swap community is run by the Bone token. Holders can vote on ideas, and the weight of their vote is based on how many shares they own. Since the start of the year, the price has been stuck in a horizontal support area at $1.20. During this time, it tried to get out 3 times but failed. But on August 19, the price started to move quickly up, and on August 29, it broke out of the range. During this upward trend, Bone grew by 200% in 10 days, and the trend continued on the 11th day. Since Bone was added to the Bluebit market 2 days ago, the price has been going up faster than it was before. It is now trading at $2.10, which is the 2.61 external fib retracement barrier. If it were possible to move above it, the next resistance level would be at $2.65. A cryptocurrency and stock trader at Mind and Trading tweeted a Bone chart that showed the price had hit a high of $2. He said that $2.60 will be the next point of pushback. When looking at the previous downward movement, the resistance area is in line with the 3.61 external fib retracement level. The numbers from the RSI support the continuation of the upward movement toward the set goals. The first reason is that the indicator broke through a line of support that was going down. The second one is that the daily RSI doesn't show a bearish divergence, even though the indicator is also high. The RSI for the 6-hour time frame doesn't show any bearish split. On the contrary, the gauge is going up even though it is already very close to being overbought. As a result, the most likely thing that could happen is that the price could go up to at least $2.65. After the big drop on August 19, it's no secret that the crypto market was shocked. Market skeptics kept warning about how bad things were in the macro situation. The popular joke tokens Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are among the things that lost out in the sell-off. Both tokens were going up until the crash. Doge stayed ahead of its rival on the list of cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu lost its spot in the rankings, though, and fell further down the list. At the time of press, it was in the 14th spot, after having dropped 2 spots over the weekend. At the time of this writing, the price of Dogecoin was 61 cents. It had dropped by 3.54% over the past day and 7.9% over the past week. Shiba Inu wasn't doing much better. It was trading at 1,193 cents, down 3.25% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, the Shib token also lost more than 7% of its value. When Shib told the public about its plans to explore the metaverse, CoinCap says that some people in the crypto community thought it was a joke. How can a useless meme talk say that the metaverse was part of its goal? Well, the latest news from Shib showed that there was no stopping it. This may not put an end to the questions. Shib announced in the early hours of September 3 that it had made a brave step toward the mission. Shib said on its official blog that we are all going to be okay. The temple project was picking up speed. After the release, a plan for the building was put forward. Will we all get through? Shib's communication shows that it looked at different building plans from 6 towns. Shib had marked Beijing, New Delhi, Japan, Hawaii, South Africa, and Myanmar as places to get ideas from in his early sketches. Shib said that the community would decide whether or not to go along with the plan. Most of the Shib army seemed to agree with what was said. But the share price hasn't gone up as a result of the news. When I looked at CoinMarketCap, I saw that Shib's price had gone down by 0.17% in the last 24 hours, even though its volume had gone up by $305.37 million. It followed the same trend, with a burn rate of 47.19% and a total of 69,087,091 Shib tokens burned in the same time frame. In a recent tweet, Robert Kiyosaki said that the market crash he said would happen in 2013 is already happening. He said that buyers could lose a lot of money if they put their money in the stock market. Kiyosaki says to use this time to make more money. It's hard to argue with what he says. While remembering what Warren Buffett said about how the best time to buy is when the markets are full of blood. Based on how the market was doing, the S&P 500 kept falling and bounced back from the $4,000 to $3,950 support level.